Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT on your iOS device. So if you have an iPad, an iPhone, or any other iOS device, make sure that you follow along into this video so you can slowly go through it. Now, because I personally don't have an iOS device, I'm going to show you on my computer because it's the exact same thing. Making sure that you open your browser. Now I'm in Google Chrome, but you will use something called Safari. This is the logo for it if you're not 100% sure with it. You're going to type ChatGPT onto your browser and you press yes. This is already a link to the normal website. If it's not and you cannot get the link and you type ChatGPT, press the first link. Scroll down, try ChatGPT, and you're already going to be logged in if you don't have already an account. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.